What is up, guys? Jerry here with the new video. We're at McDonald's with Daniel feeding his fries. But today, what we're gonna go do is we're gonna link up with Jeremy, and he has some big news. He's gonna get his own car finally. That man has been taking a ride with me every single day. He's finally gonna get a ride. So yeah, we'll be with him in a bit after we're done eating. So we'll be in a bit. But yeah, look at this dude. Abel came with us to go come get it.
Yeah, deadass. I had to.
You mean you had to? He told you to come?
Yeah. It's his first car. Of course I'm gonna come.
You got weed in it?
Damn, I wish we could get this money.
What is this?
I want to go to this motherfucker right now.
That nigga see.
We gotta get a thumbnail. Oh, you got the Subaru floor mats.
Get on top of it. Get in it. Get in it for the thumbnail.
Okay, we had it all figured out.
You had to figure it out.
Figure it out, bro. I'm so
Get in it. Get in it, nigga.
Alright, let's get it. Get in it, get in it.
Bro.
Look surprised for the thumbnail.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You need an air freshener.
You
man.
happy?
Bro, I'm so happy. I worked my ass off so hard for this, bro. You don't even understand.
Oh, all right, well, so
I
what's
like
the
the
engine?
dash.
What's done? What you got in the engine?
Right now it has a 2-liter WRX engine. It has a WRX suspension, WRX wheels.
Okay.
And it has a stage 1 clutch. And I'm not sure for what else. I wasn't really
Yeah,
thinking.
you so stoked, ain't you?
Dude, I'm so fucking happy right now, dude. You can ask Jerry. I would always talk about this at work, wouldn't I? This one's been sitting here for like 6 months. Not even. How long have you been working there? For like 2 months? Yeah. Alright, so he also had dropped down the price to 18. Because he was like, I know you're gonna need money to fix the car and stuff. Because he had dropped it down to 18, we're leaving it flat like that. 18? Yeah. And it took you like 2 months to get the money, so it's not gonna be that much. Yeah, it's not gonna be that long. You just need 900 more. Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm so fucking happy right now. Alright, guys. So this is the new, it's gonna be the new project in the channel. Hell yeah. The new project on the channel.
Mm-hmm. At least the body's not bad though. I don't see any dents.
Yeah.
Other than these like right here.
But nah, you gotta go get a car. Yeah, I mean I can wash. I mean I wash cars, so what?
That'd be easy. Bond them.
Look, here's the floor mat.
It's smooth. Is this lower than stock?
Yeah, it's lower than stock.
It seemed like it.
He said he put the WRX suspension. He said he's gonna get 2-inch lift kit. And here's rally. He got the rally armors too. You're gonna get a lift kit?
I should wear fucking shoes is what I should though.
No, but he only has 2.
Slides.
I know. I think he has 2 in the back.
I didn't
Oh, he
think I
does.
was
He has the
gonna
other
go
2 on it.
Yeah. I didn't
Because
think
mine
I was
broke. See, I would give you mine, but mine broke. Yeah, I know yours is broke. I don't think they're fit. I have 3 that are good. 3? Yeah. I don't know if yours will fit. The one on the right is all, I don't have it anymore because it fell off in the accident. Oh, bro, for startup.
Not even, dude. This battery is super dead.
That's alright. That's what I was thinking. Well, I don't know if the van. You think the van can get out of here? Yeah, I think my van can get out of here.
Yeah. It should be straight.
Yeah, go
I mean, we can pull one of my cars out here too. I don't really want to do it.
I mean, it doesn't matter. Whatever. I got cables in the van.
This one? Yeah. I think I bought it in like 2014 maybe.
So why do you want to get rid of it?
Well, I mean, it's swapped. I put a bunch of time and money into it, and I fucking played around with it a lot, and I never got it running just right. I got it running, and that was good enough for me. So yeah, I changed jobs. I was an engineer when I was working on this car, and I spent a bunch on it. And kind of done spending money on it.
Where's the keys? Where's the key? They're in the van. It just smells like a little bit like oil because I was like, nah, he's been working for this for like the longest.
I know, man, and I like that. He was like, I'm gonna get you some money, and he did, you know. Yeah. So that's cool, and I can respect that. So.
Yeah, he's been so excited about this car. He even has it. He even has it as his wallpaper on his phone, and he doesn't even have it.
That's sick, man. It's dedication, man.
I don't think it's gonna get stuck.
Easier than you think, man. This yard gets soggy and it gets.
Open the hood.
So how long have you been living here?
Probably like 6 months or so.
Wait, I can't open it. I forgot how to open this shit.
2.5. So I bought a whole WRX probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, and I parted and scrapped the car and then pulled this block out of it.
Jerry, you don't have the back here.
Yeah, they're under the stuff.
Where's my card? Where's my card?
Your card?
Yeah.
Nigga, I told you I lost that shit.
Nigga, where's my card?
Look,
This is center, okay?
I'll give it to you from the other one. He got a turbo blanket on it too. Look.
Turbo blanket?
Oh, it's turbo?
Yeah.
Nah, it's the radiator.
See, look, apparently these explode. The plastic end caps explode, so I want to get a Koya rad.
You could put the you know what you can do?
What?
You can get the, I think it's like the VGF something. It's like the EJ207 turbo. So you can make a little bit more power and tune it.
Shit, that I don't know, bro.
Yeah. No, I'm probably gonna get no, I'm not sure what I really want to do. I don't want to get a big turbo.
STI intercooler.
Probably an STI intercooler. Yeah. I don't want to go like too much after me.
Alright. You want to record? We got Daniel right
I want to learn, bro. I'm be a YouTuber.
Jeremy, how you feeling?
I feel so excited right now.
Oh shit.
I worked my ass off for this. No promises. I haven't been started in a few months either, so. Yeah. I mean. What's that your car? Yeah.
I don't know nothing about this, so yeah, it's a car. That's all I know. So shit. I know this shit spins. That's it. There's a battery. That's it.
You have to like hold it a little bit.
Is that your phone?
That's his phone.
Oh, no wonder it keeps falling.
That was yours.
Yeah.
Still learning how to vlog here. Here's another battery.
I had to put it in here. And then when I went to go get it, and then I'm
Nigga, I see it back here. Yeah. Like you said, like you guys saw, the fender wells are back here.
oh, okay.
There's the other springs. I'm only running the blue springs, the front drives. Yeah, blue front drives, I think. There's another radiator. There's some extra. I think this is the oil filter.
Pretty sure this is Honda. Alright.
Did it run like here for a while? Or as soon as you ran it, it started like leaking? How does it run? Like in March?
I just warmed up and we'll get a little worse. Like calm for a minute.
That's the water box. Just vacuum it out. What are you talking about?
Yeah, it's the same. I don't get.
What the fuck? What? You grab a piece of paper?
Get that leaf.
Bro, I don't know if this thing is gonna start back, dude.
Alright guys, so we just jumped it, try it again. Well, we're gonna jump it again.
Excuse me, sir.
It has oil in it.
Oh, there's
It has oil.
Battery.
No, it looks decent right now. We're just gonna move it to this side.
Jeremy, you wanna hop in here with me?
Yeah, I got. Oh, pretty relieved.
That's like
A little bit happy. Yeah. Nothing too much. Nothing too serious. He could have bought a car any other day. Yeah. Nothing too serious.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start driving. Oh, that hurt, bro. Hold on, that hurt. It says eat.
Eat. Yeah, I know, right?
But I already got a license plate for it. I already have a license plate and everything.
Okay.
Box for it.
Not a shirt.
We're about to take it on the drive.
So I'm gonna be the first one to ever drive this thing. It's old. What do you think? What do you think about this man's car?
It's fresh.
It has power steering.
The moment you buy a car.
Oh, I think it's not gonna turn on. Yeah,
It turned off.
Not too fast.
let me try to move it real quick.
It's stalling. It's not gonna stall, sweetie.
Hey, we gotta do this quick. Remember, it leaks oil. Leaks oil.
What happened to you? I don't go fucking this oil.
Yeah.
Oh, you got power windows.
Very good.
Let me see.
Alright, I'm just gonna use some. When you're about to stall,
I know how to drive, man.
push the clutch in, okay? Or rev it up high. Okay. Oh, you found it? You found it?
I found
You
it.
found it.
I found it.
What did you just hear that? Alright.
I go
You
close
got
this.
this, you
Go
got
close this.
Hopefully that shit doesn't turn off again.
If this shit turns off, dude. Oh, you got heat warmers too and everything. You bougie in this bitch.
Yeah, powered windows.
Ooh, okay. It's smooth.
Ooh, shit.
Smooth. This shit's big. This shit's
Damn.
big as fuck.
It's cold. So we can fit all the bitches back here. So we can finna fuck them. And we're gone.
You need gas too. Hurry up, motherfucker! I want to stall this bitch.
Why is this nigga taking forever? And we're gone.
I didn't get across the street. I'm about turned off. I'm about to turn it off. Hurry the fuck up.
Hold on, there's a car coming. Alright. Almost there.
I was gonna wing it. What if this shit just stops?
After this. Alright, go, go. Oh shit! Oh fuck. I put my
This shit's
seatbelt.
scary as fuck.
Dead
bro.
ass. Oh, there's water coming from there.
Huh?
There's water coming from up there. And we're here.
We're out parking.
He's gonna have to move his mom. That's it. You have arrived.
We're out parking.
So we can put some CDs in this bitch. We got AC. We got something for a drink too. 2 drinks. You feel me?
Is that good? Is that good? Yeah. Wait, is it?
Gonna give it a good clean.
What happened?
So it shines.
Because there's no cold pack going to the injector. And that might be an injector wire right
Hey, pass me the flashlight. ¿Lo quieres? Te lo vendo.
Who is that?
I don't know.
He just.
Why idles like that? Because the injector.
And when you buy a car, you need them.
Hell yeah, baby.
No, because like on this side, it looks like that.
That's what I'm saying. And that could be why rough autos.
Where the fuck is the injectors on this side?
But I also don't know nothing about these engines. But
Nah, I'm there. I'm feeling so happy right now, bro.
so you drive to school tomorrow, right?
No, like I got a plate.
You can use mine.
Nah, they're both connected.
I can tell. You see it?
Yeah.
It's probably just the blink, like you said.
The what light?
The blanket.
No, there's a wire right there. That's not connected.
Yeah, I don't know. It might be a butterfly like this man's, remember? I give you $100
So if I open it?
if you open
I mean,
it.
it's not that
How much
high.
is it? How much is it for the?
Swear to God, you give me $100. Though.
You're gonna burn yourself,
I
bro.
need
What are you
3.
talking about?
Fuck yeah. I'm not gonna burn myself. I've done it before in my car. I was a dumbass. That's not
What
too
happens?
hot. It explodes.
Explode when the car's hot. It explodes if you open it.
Car's not that hot though.
Yeah, it is, bro. Do you feel that shit?
Yeah, it's not that hot.
Bro, I was revving it the whole fucking way here. What are you talking about?
We don't want that
Bro,
shit
that's
to
not
turn
even that
on.
hot. Film mine, and then that's gonna be hot.
And then his dumbass kept on going slow. I was just like run, 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 so it doesn't turn off like behind him and shit.
What kind of wheels?
I'm probably gonna put the XSRs.
What are those?
Are you gonna get mine? I'll sell you
His?
mine for 1,000.
Yours don't fucking work.
Get mine. Get the
I'm
one
probably
that
gonna
I have.
get the star ones with the
Like they're kind of like his, kind of. Not really.
Get ESRs. You can pay monthly on them.
that's something. Or I don't know if I want to get ESRs or XSRs.
Go with ESRs so you don't get crashed on having X6Rs.
Are you crashing? Are you crashing? My shit was still nice. What we here for today? He got his car, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. He wanted to show you that too. So I guess we're gonna sign off, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I guess I don't know, but don't forget to keep grinding. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give a like to this video, and don't forget to hit that bell notification.
I'll use my
Peace out.
on my Instagram.
Oh, okay.